All right, you guys, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree, then you're going to love this video. I found some absolutely amazing items, and I'm going to share them with you in today's haul. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY Guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, now as I mentioned, I'm super excited because this is a Dollar Tree haul, and I found some really good stuff. Now, some of this stuff is from Dollar Tree, some of it's from Dollar Tree Plus, but wow, some really, really great stuff. And before we get into the haul, I do, of course, have to say thank you to my subscribers. You guys know who you are. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe you'll become a subscriber and you'll like this video and comment and do all the things. I try and at least acknowledge everybody's comment with either a little heart or a thumbs up or both, and definitely try and comment as much back as I can. Also, I'm getting a lot of questions about these pop-up trees that are behind me, so I wanted to share that information with you. There is a link in my description box below. These are from Amazon. These are pop-up tinsel trees. What's so great about them is that they assemble in like 5 minutes, not even. The stand, the ornaments, the tree part, the star, and lights all come with the tree. It is crazy. And they pop up like they're in a pizza box, basically. You assemble the base, which is just like assembling one of these little Dollar Tree, trees, and you put the poles on. And then you take the garland or tinsel thing and you just go. And there's a thing in the top of the tree that sits on top of the pole that holds everything. And then you add your lights and your ornaments that come in the box. Everything is $35. It's such a crazy, crazy deal. And I'm getting lots of comments about them. So I wanted to share that info below. All right, let's jump into this Dollar Tree haul because I'm stoked. Very, very excited. Now, have you guys seen these little beauties? Now, they look like the little plastic candy canes that Dollar Tree has had forever. These are different. They have stakes on the bottom of them. And by the way, when you do look for them, I'm getting ready to drop them all. The stake is going to be kind of strapped to the side there. So you want to make sure that you grab one of these that has the stake. And see this little end here? That's where 2 AAA batteries go because, yes, these are light up. Oh, look at that goodness. This is an on-off switch right here. It makes it pretty easy. You would have to go outside, I guess, manually and go. But yeah, I was pretty excited. I bought 6 of these because I'm putting them down my driveway. And I mean, come on, let's look at the light again. Oops, I grabbed the wrong one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Also, you know what I was noticing is that this, where the batteries go, it does come out. And then there's a big, long string of lights that are in here. So let's say one of them doesn't work, or eventually, these things die out. You could still keep these, and you could put glow sticks inside of them. You could put other Dollar Tree string lights in there. I think these will be around for a while, and I'm very, very excited about those. Let me put those down. All right, the next thing that I grabbed, I thought that these were so, so cute. And there's going to be so much holiday stuff out. I don't know how or where or why I'm going to do all this, but look at these gnomes that are the metal. Oh my gosh, so cute. And they all say something different. So this one says joy. That one says Mary, and this one says Noel. How cute are these? Now, I don't know if there's any more than 3. These were the 3 that I found at my store, and I'm loving it. I'm thinking that these could be on a really cool, like, flocked wreath with, like, buffalo check and some, galvanized metal bells. And these guys, that could be so, so pretty. I need, like, 14 front doors because I've always got a wreath idea. I feel like that was loud. The front door, and yeah, I don't have enough front doors. So what I end up doing is like I make one, I put it on the wreath or on the door for a little while. And then I've given one to the FedEx guy. I've given one to my UPS driver. I've given definitely several to neighbors. Like my UPS guy came by one time and I had a Mardi Gras wreath on the door. And he was like, oh, I'm from New Orleans. I really like that. And I'm like, take it. It's yours. You can have it. He's like, really? And I was like, yeah, take it. Because I got 14 other wreaths I got to put on the door somewhere. So anyway, that, yeah, I just like wreaths. Now, I don't know if you guys saw in the Dollar Tree Plus section, they have inflatables. And last year they had some inflatables that were inflatable. And they were battery operated, but they weren't really great. They were great as far as the size goes, but let me tell you what, them batteries, they died quick. Now, these do not light up, but what they do is nothing. They don't light up at all. But what's so great about these, I think, is that there is a very large hole in the bottom of them where you fill partially up, basically the base, up with water, and that helps weigh them down. And then you just old school lungs blow these suckers up, and you have 4-foot tall inflatables. These were $5 each, and the snowman and the Santa Claus is kind of iconic for Christmas for me. As you can see, I kind of like the, red and green and gold. Also, what's really cool about these is that they had a nutcracker. They had a toy soldier. They had a couple of them, and I was tempted to get them all. And I may go back and get them all because I do like these kind of things in my front yard. And I only have like 2, I think, right now. And actually, I have a toy soldier that is a plug-in one. So we'll make him part of the family. But anyway, thought that these were super, super cute. And for $5 each. Also, by the way, I have learned recently that a lot of the items that you can find at Dollar Tree Plus, you can also find at Family Dollar. There's a lot of overlap between the Plus sections at Dollar Tree Plus or Dollar Tree in the Plus section and Family Dollar. So if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus in your area, check your Family Dollar stores because I have seen these at my Family Dollar store. And you never know. You never know. I haven't seen everything, but it's something to check because I know people get frustrated when they can't find a Dollar Tree Plus or their stores, don't have a Plus section. This was regular Dollar Tree. Thought that these were super, super cute. I, as you may or may not know, got a newer vehicle recently. I'm driving an SUV now. I can haul stuff around. I can take stuff to Goodwill. I can buy a lot more stuff. It's been good. And these little hooks go on the backs of the seats. So like this is a hook for a purse, a bag, a briefcase, shopping bags. Like if you don't want something to be slinging around the back of your car or in the trunk, you can take these little hooks and you put them over like the headrest on one of the bars on the headrest. And then this little hook here will hold your bags, your purse, your shopping bags. And I thought that they were super cute, and I grabbed them because they were rainbows. They had ducks. They had, I think they had unicorns. They had all kinds of different little critters. But these were the ones that were kind of normal, I guess. The other animals were really, really random looking. I didn't want those, but I like the rainbows. So I grabbed those, and we're going to test those out and see how they do. Speaking of the SUV and having, an actual like bigger trunk space, I grabbed this in the Plus section as well. This is a collapsible crate that pops up, and I thought that this could be really great. Now, this sucker is small. We're not joking around. This is small. This ain't gonna hold nothing for me as far as my shopping hauls go. However, things like my windshield washer fluid, or like, I'm trying to be butch and think of some things that for the back of my car that are in the back of my car. I have a roll of paper towels back there. I have like, a random pair of gloves. I have, we'll just say things like that back there. I don't know what some of that stuff is, but I'm going to keep it in here to keep it from sliding around because my vehicle has a little bit of a well underneath the back kind of area of the, is it a trunk in an SUV? What is it? But this will fit in there. I've already tested it out with a different one. I have 2 of them now, and super, super cool to put that stuff in there. Oh, Fix-A-Flat. I have that stuff too. My mechanic says it's horrible stuff, but it helps if you don't want to change a flat tire. All right, I'm being very goofy today. So this was something I grabbed. This was fall. And I had not seen this before. I'm going to be using it for Christmas DIY since that's all I'm doing now. Check this out. How cute and huge is this thing? Now, it's not, it feels like it's a little embossed, but I think you could sand it down and paint over it. It's probably, it's definitely that kind of MDF, I guess. It was in the plus section again. It was $3, and this twine action here at the top, I think that's super, super cute. But I kind of want to do something for fall with this. I don't think it's food safe. I would imagine. Oh, it says, well, it says fall cheese board wall decor on the back of it. But for $3, even if I just save this and don't use it for a holiday DIY, but do another kind of DIY with it, I have some really cute stencils from Maker Studio and some other stuff that I think could be really fun to kind of, you know, do that for Christmas. I'm going to make sure that that doesn't fall over. More Dollar Tree items. These were just in the regular Dollar Tree section. These are super, super fun. It is these kind of sparkly cedar picks. And I grabbed 2 in the red, and there's 5 in each package. So there's a 5-piece set there. Fun for a wreath or something. I may even honestly just take these and stick them in the trees to kind of fill them up a little bit. They're the tinsel trees. They're, you know, you can see when the light shines through them. But how fun would those be in there? I think that these could be fun. And the gold are also 5-piece packages as well. I don't remember ever seeing these before. So super, super fun. And I'm probably going to wish that I bought more of them because, you know, Dollar Tree, you're never going to see it again if you don't buy like 400 of them. These were also in the plus section, and I have to say, at the store that I got them in, I only saw this one color. However, when I went to Family Dollar, I did see these at Family Dollar. My idea was to take these. Aren't they gorgeous? They were $5 each, metal kind of reindeer, and I just dropped something for the upcoming part of the haul. But, and it's from Dollar Tree. But how gorgeous are these? They are really, really good size. Now this, I don't know how big these cubes are. They're bigger than the 12 inches, but that gives you an idea for reference. And I thought when I bought them, that I was going to spray paint them either like a matte black, because I think that they would be amazing for Christmas decor. But I'm also thinking maybe copper. And then when I did see these at Family Dollar, I saw them in copper. So you may not always get like this color, but if you can grab 2 of them, do it and paint them. That is what I'm doing. I will use my favorite Rust-Oleum spray paint. I always use the Rust-Oleum matte black spray paint. And I will paint those suckers up and they will be goodness. Okay, I have to go down and pick up what I dropped and come back. These I thought were just amazing. Like, why would you even need to DIY something? How cute is this? Even with that little fuzz or that string. How cute is that? It's on a little wooden dowel. It's canvas. And it's got this glittery, sparkly, all is calm, all is bright. How cute. So, so cute. This was $1, $1.25. And I mean, come on. I have wooden doors in my house. And I'm even thinking about like just putting this on the door in the bathroom because my doors are the original doors to the house. My house is 100 years old and the doors are wood with the crystal doorknobs. And I think that this is going to be fantastic. I will just use a little tiny command strip that's removable. But that one's super cute. And then they had another one that was Merry Christmas. How cute. How cute. They stole my DIY idea because I totally would have done something like this if I would have thought about it. Okay, these next things, there are 5 of them. I don't know if there's any more of them. If you guys know if there are any more of them, please let me know because I want to get all of these characters. They are 24 inches tall. Ooh, it's Santa! How cute. I do wish his hat was red to match his outfit, but look how long and skinny his legs are. That is so cute. These were in the plus section once again. These were $5. And I saw something similar at Family Dollar. It wasn't these exactly. So there's Santa. And I'm thinking I'm going to stand these up in front of my fireplace, honestly. And, you know, obviously not when there's a fire in the fireplace because they are stuffed. And then the legs are metal. And then the feet are, it feels like wood in there. But how cute are the skinny legs, Santa? And then there is also a snowman. Oh my gosh. So cute. Otis did not like these when I brought these in, by the way. He kind of walked up to one and kind of like did like this because he's checking it out. But the snowman, I'm obsessed with the snowman. I want this sweater and scarf, and I want to wear a hat like this for just because I think it's really, really cute. And then this one, I mean, you gotta have a gnome. Hello. And again, the skinny legs, 24 inches, stuffy, you know, wood here, or maybe MDF, I don't know, maybe even plastic. But super, super cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. And all of them like clustered together in front of the fireplace. And then if you couldn't get any cuter, look at her. She's an angel. Look how cute she is. She's got these gorgeous wings. She's got this red hair. I feel like I'm playing with a Barbie doll. Like, she's got these fun little arms. The other ones had fun little arms too, but for some reason I'm singling out her arms. And then she's got this flowy little skirt. I put my hand up her skirt because I'm just fluffing her dress. I didn't go all the way up. How cute! How cute is she? I love it. She reminds me of a Cabbage Patch doll. My sister had a Cabbage Patch doll growing up, and I was always like, oh my gosh, I want a Cabbage Patch doll. And then the last one is the gingerbread man. Now his arm is kind of, you know, he's a little wonky. I don't know if we need to hot glue his arms. Maybe we'll do him like that or something. I don't know, but super, super cute. I was obsessed by this and thought that all of these were super cute. And I want to do something with all of these in front of my mantle or maybe on my front porch. And I don't know quite yet, but we're going to do something with them for sure. All right, you guys, that is my haul for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which items were your favorite. Also, let me know if you have a Family Dollar in your area and if you've been checking those out. There are some videos here on YouTube for you to check out as well. And playlist and whatnot that you can check out some other content. If you're not into Christmas just yet, there's all kinds of fall videos and fall playlists and stuff as well. But I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for Santa. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.